Gordon were lonely when Thomas left the yard to run his branch line. They missed him very much. They had more work to do. They couldn't wait in the shed till it was time to find their coaches at the platform. They had to fetch them, and they didn't like that. Edward sometimes did odd jobs, and so did James. But James soon started grumbling too. We get no rest, we get no rest, they complained as they clunked out the yard. We get no rest, we get no rest. We get no rest, we get no rest. You're lazy and slack, you're lazy and slack. That controller was most tired. Oh, this is so degrading. Thomas should be the one shunting.
Why are you complaining, Angry? There is no rain today. Why don't you go stick in a tunnel instead?
I'm not afraid of getting wet anymore. Anyhow, you look silly enough to be a clown. You should join the circus.
Oh, so you've heard the news?
What news?
Oh, the circus has arrived. I've been shunting special trucks. The Fat Controller's gonna need your help too. The engine soon forgot to be tired and cross.
But Gordon and Henry were dreadfully jealous of James when the Fat Controller told him to pull the train when the circus went away. However, they soon fed all the animals as they had plenty of work to do. One morning, Henry was told to take some workmen to a tunnel that was blocked. He grumbled away to find some trucks to carry the workmen and their tools. Pushing trucks! Pushing trucks! He muttered in a sulky sort of way. They stopped outside the tunnel and tried to look through it. It was quite dark. No daylight shined from the other side. The workmen took their tools and went inside. We all ran out looking frightened.
We went to the block and started to dig, but it grunted and moved.
They said.
Rubbish,
Said the foreman.
It's not rubbish. It's big and alive. We're not going in there again.
Right, I'll on the truck, and Henry will push it out. Whee! Said Henry unhappily. He hated tunnels. He'd been shut up in one once, but this was worse. Something big and alive was inside. Beep, 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 beep. He whistled. I don't want to go in. Neither do I, said his driver. But we must clear the line. Oh dear, oh dear, puffed Henry as they slowly advanced into the darkness. Oh, Henry's driver should have seen it once. We're going back! And slowly moving out into the daylight came first Henry, then the trucks, and last of all, pushing hard and rather cross, came a large elephant.
Well, I never,
said the foreman.
It's an elephant from the circus.
The elephant stopped pushing and came towards them. They gave him some sandwiches and cake, so he forgot he was cross and remembered he was hungry. He drank 3 buckets of water without stopping. He was just going to drink another when Henry did not see him. He squirted water all over Henry by mistake. Poor Henry. When the keeper came, the workmen rode home happily in the trucks, laughing at their adventure. But Henry was very cross. An elephant hushed me! An elephant hushed me!
You poor engine. You've been badly treated.
First the rain, then elephant. Whatever will you be afraid of next?
It's alright, Henry. What happened to any engine?
You would think so.
I was only trying to.